Hello everyone, I'm Craig Williams with your Diz Daily Fix for Friday, February 16th, 2018. Here's what's happening today. First up, Toy Story Land will officially open on June 30th, 2018. The announcement was made this morning on Good Morning America, and although the opening date is a little later in the summer than most people expected, I think the general consensus was going to be a Memorial Day opening. It's exciting news nonetheless, so can't wait for this summer. Now, starting February 19th, minivans will now be picking up guests at the Port Orleans, French Quarter, and Riverside hotels. So at this point in time now, I believe the only hotels that it's not picking up at are Coronado Springs, the All-Star Resorts, and then Art of Animation. I could be wrong on that list since I'm just guessing from the top of my head, but it's basically everywhere now, and it's a flat rate of $25 to any destination you want to go to on Walt Disney World property. Now finally, Disney Junior has announced a brand new show coming this summer based on the book series Fancy Nancy. And Fancy Nancy is about a 6-year-old girl who likes to be fancy in every way, whether it's through her vocabulary or her attire, from what I'm reading. The book series has sold over 30 million books. I believe over 100 books have been made. It's been translated in 20 languages. So it actually is a really big deal. So Allison Hannigan from How I Met Your Mother, among various other things, will provide her voice along with Rob Riggle, who is from The Daily Show back in the day and so many things, but obviously it's voice acting. You won't see them, just hear them. And like I said, it'll debut this summer, and I'm sure all your toddlers out there will be tuning in. Now, moving on to today's featured article on the Diz, it comes from I don't know because no author was provided for me, but it's about cruising on the Disney Dream with a severe motion sickness sufferer. So if you want to check out that great article and many others, head over to wdwinfo.com. Sounds like there'll be a lot of good information in that one. Now, trending on the boards today is an official Toy Story Land information thread that was started by our moderator, R. Teets, on the Theme Parks Attractions and Strategies Forum. And obviously, it's going to have all the latest up-to-date information on Toy Story Land. So head over to disboards.com if you want to join in on that discussion. Now, later today on the Diz Unplugged, you can expect the latest episode of the Disney Dining Show, along with the latest episode of Connecting with Walt, which is a bit of a throwback episode, just in time for the Olympics. So you can find those at youtube.com/DizUnplugged and iTunes, respectively. Now for the weekend weather. Out in Anaheim, today and tomorrow should be sunny with highs in the upper 70s and low it's in the upper 40s. Sunday it's going to get a bit chilly. There's going to be sun, but it's going to be a high of 66 and a low of 48. Now here in Orlando all weekend it should be partly cloudy skies. Just honestly beautiful, but the temperatures are going to get into the mid 80s and then the lows are going to be in the lower 60s. So as we've said every day, it's just getting warmer and warmer. Now, for more links on everything discussed in today's Diz Daily Fix, please visit the Daily Fix main page at wdwinfo.com/dailyfix. It's going to do it for me today. We'll be back with you on Monday for the next installment of the Diz Daily Fix. Have a great weekend, everyone.